Hello and welcome to a new episode of the AMAnews Prime Day month, July 2023, and we will start as always with search engine optimization, and I will show you a little feature in AMALYZE. It's called related terms, and as example I've chosen a garbage can as main search term, and from that search term on you can find more relevant keywords for a garbage can. As you see, a first relevant word, garage can. We will talk about that in the next slide, but you will also find trash can written together, garbage can of course, but also garbage bin, steel trash can or steel barrel, and many more. And as I said, the garbage can, that sounds stupid first, but when you go into it, it's directly a searched word. That's no spelling mistake or so. If you're selling specific and large garbage cans, garbage tins, whatever, you have to use also the word garage can. And when you sort the related keywords, for example, for search volume, you will find directly the most relevant words like trash can, garbage can, and trash can with lid, or a specific size like 13 gallons. And that is really impressive to use that. As you see on the right side, also combined with the average price under the SERP or the specific buying power, and that is awesome. The next topic is content, and in the content section you will find sometimes more and more data, and as better as you will give data to Amazon, as better your product detail page will look at the end. The top things here like recommended use or themes or cartoon characters, we know that. But now that is new, the surface recommendations, material, unit count, shapes, and all that stuff. That is a really cool rollout. So make sure you're using your data fields correct. When we have seen that the showrooms are back in the style of the styled ideas, you're seeing that only 4 images are left on the PDP, then 6 videos, 360, and the Explore style ideas. And you have seen it, it looked like that, and you will find it. The showroom is an old function, but now it's directly integrated into the PDP, and you will find your chair directly here, and you can change the wall color, the flooring, and all that stuff. While searching through a few categories, we have also found a new version of 3D. Normally, as we have seen, video 360-degree pictures or view in room. Now 3D is also available, and that is really awesome. You can now move and zoom and scroll into the 3D renderings of the product. That is awesome. And if you liked it so far, of course, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and click to subscribe, and so you will get information when we're loading up new videos to inform you about all new things that are happening on the marketplace. And last but not least, of course, use our Chrome extension, for example, if you want to see the revenue share in variations based on the sales and not the review count. Next topic, advertising. Amazon advertising has a simple feature. It's called automated bidding. We know that from sponsored brands. Amazon allowed to automatically optimize bids for placements other than top of search. It's not a top of search modifier, it's a non-top of search modifier. And when you change it to video, you will not find it. But as one guy, a few of LinkedIn, showed me where is the automated bidding, but only after you have set it up, a sponsored brand video ad, and then you can activate it and you can increase and decrease by 99% for not top of search placements. That is really cool. So stay before your competitors and use that bid adjustment if you want for below top of search. On the other side, video sponsored brand video ads are now also connectable to the sub pages of your store, and we have seen a few top of search videos not directly linked to the PDP, but when you use a store link, then you can also be top of search. And on the other side, you can now include up to 3 products to your video, and that is really, really cool. And to stay with sponsored brands, everybody knows that they have that broad plus modifier. For example, if you use the keyword plus man space shoes with a broad match, then the ad will match only the searches that contain the word man. Man must be included. The shoes could be sneakers or else, as we know it, from that part of the definitions. In sponsored brands campaigns with match type allows advertisers to show their ads on searches that have the same meaning or same intent as their keyword. For example, if an advertiser has an exact keyword of outside lights and a customer query outdoor lights, an exact match occurs. And yes, you can combine the plus modifier also with other not phrase, not broad, but also exact, and you will see a few interesting results at the end. Then Amazon finally has released the product tab worldwide. Here you can find directly all the relevant information for your specific ASINs cumulated in one row. And as you see it here, but you can also see in which campaign or ad group and so on, the results are directly given row per row per row. And that is really, really cool. And you don't need tools for that. You can see it directly in the results. Then in the section marketing, you need to understand that followers are absolutely relevant. It seems that that one is also rolled out in Europe in this year, and you don't only have the possibility to contact your brand followers, you can also contact recent customers, high spend customers, and repeat customers directly via mail. And a new feature is market a product, choose up to 5 products to highlight and manage your customer engagement campaigns, and also promote a promotion to your specific customers, followers, and so on, and they will receive a mailing for it. Then Amazon has given it free for everyone. You can now add video content to your product pages. If you have been selling on Amazon for 3 months or longer, adding video content can help you boost sales, improve conversions, and decrease returns. Both brand registered and non-brand registered sellers can now add videos. Then for marketing, the reorder rewards coupons were released in detail. That means standard coupons will stack with support and subscribe save coupons. If they are available for the same product, customers will be able to redeem both of these coupons at checkout. For example, 50% and 50% will give 100% of the product. But that is really, really cool. Reorder reward coupons are now live. Then Amazon posts are now rolled out for everybody. And also in Europe, it starts this year. And so it's becoming more and more important to understand the relevance of them. Of course, here you can see the follow button. And with the follow button, you will build up your community of followers. And as we said before, you can now engage with them directly. The last part, marketplace. Yeah, everybody can enroll 2 units in Amazon Wine for free between 5th June and 21st July. Note, you will continue to see the enrollment fee, but you will only be charged the $170 enrollment fee if you enroll 3 or more units per parent ASIN and receive the first review in 90 days. Then there's a big change. The low price FBA rates to replace small and light on August 29th. We have decided to end the US at the moment FBA small and light program and instead lower the standard FBA rates for all low price products. Starting August 29th, 2023, US FBA will introduce these lower FBA rates for all items priced below $10. With this change, we will close the small and light program in the US effective August 29th. The new FBA rates for low price products will be an average of 0.77 cents lower per item than the current FBA rates for these products. Okay, sounds cool. Hopefully it's also coming to Europe. Then some products may need new attributes. All new listings for the affected product types, I will show you in the next slide, will require valid attribute values, or the product won't be added to the catalog. So that's really, really interesting, but also for your older ones. Effectively from July the 18th, 25 attributes across 52 product types will be required for new listings. On the other side, make sure you go into your actual listings if you find any issues for search suppressed also could be caused to that. You can just follow the links and you will find an overview like that. And for example, for a rug now you need color, material and item shape. For a drinking cup you need included components, color, capacity, material. As we have seen at the beginning of the AMAnews, data are more and more relevant and more and better shown on the PDP to the customer, but as we know also that is used in the filters in the SERPs. So that were the AMAnews for July 2023.